Hello, akkam jirtu barattoota nagaa keessanii. Kuni tamsaasa GO Lesson 17 TV barnoota ji'oogiraafii kutaa 10ffaa boqonnaa 3 karaa keessaa YouTube'dhaan dafii boqonnaa 3 nuu xumurii jettanii gaggaafachaa turtan. Har'a gaaffii baay'ee barbaachisaa fi murteessaa ta'e boqonnaa 3 keessaa gaaffilee 27 isiniif qabadhee dhiyaadheera. Isinis ana waliin taatanii akka qayyabattanii fi iddoowwan gaaffiiwwan kun ba'an sirriitti akka dubbistan gamanumaan isin affeera. እንዴት ናችሁ ተማሪዎች? ሰላም ናችሁ? በውስጥ መስመር ቻፕተር 3 ቶሎ ጨርስልን ብላችሁ ሀሳብ በሰጣችሁ መሰረት ያው ዛሬ ከዚሁ ምዕራፍ 27 ጥያቄዎችን ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁኝ። እናንተም እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች የወጡባቸው አካባቢዎችን በደንብ እንድታጠኑና ለፈተናችሁ እንድትዘጋጁ አሳስባችኋለሁ። Choose the correct answer from the given alternatives. Question number 1. Of the following, which natural resource is non-renewable? A. Water. B. Timber. C. Natural gas. D. Solar energy. Question number 2. The major component of fossil fuel is A. Carbon. B. Nitrogen. C. Oxygen. D. Hydrogen. Question number 3. Of the following, which one indicates the percentage of the Earth's arable land? Kanneen armaan gaditti eeraman keessaa hanga lafa qonnaa persantiin ibsu kami? A. 10. B. 25%. C. 33%. D. 50%. Question number 4. To which of the following water body does the Nile River flows? Lagni Nile qaama bishaanii kanneen armaan gaditti eeraman keessaa gara kamitti yaa'a? የናይል ወንዝ ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት የውሃ አካላት ወደ የትኛው ይፈሳል? ኤ ሬድ ሲ፣ ቢ ኢንዲያን ኦሽን፣ ሲ ሜዲትራኒያን፣ ዲ አትላንቲክ ኦሽን። Barattoota akkuma bartan waraqaa xiqqoo isin cinaa jirtu irratti deebii keessan qabachaa jirtu baay'ee gaariidha። ተማሪዎች እንደለመዳችሁ ካጠገባችሁ ባለችው ትንሿ ወረቀት ላይ መልሳችሁን እየያዛችሁ ከኔ ጋር እያጠናችሁ ነው። በጣም ጥሩ። Okay, the non-renewable resource is natural gas. So the correct answer is C. Non-renewable resources are coal, petroleum, natural gas, and the like. Whereas water, timber, solar energy, wind, soil are the renewable resource. Question number 2. Carbon is the major component of fossil fuels. The correct answer is A. How the carbon is the major component of fossil fuels? Carbonin akkamitti qabiyyee bu'uuraa albuuda boba'aa ta'e. Biqiloonni yeroo jireenya isaanii keessatti kaarbanii atmosfera keessaa xuuxuudhaan karaa sirna footosinteesisii nyaata isaanii ittiin qopheeffatu. Kanaafuu bineeldonnis biqiloota nyaatanii waan jiraataniidhaaf du'aa bineeldotaa fi bosobbosa biqilootaatu gara fossil fueliitti jijjiirama waan ta'eedhaaf fossil fueliin kaarbanii of keessaa qaba jechuudha. Question number 3. The total percentage of the Earth's arable land is approximately about 10.6. Here the option given here is 10. So the correct answer is 10. River Nile flows to the western drainage system. Western drainage system itgal. So Mediterranean Sea is the western drainage system in which the Abai flow is. Question number 5. One of the following indicates the main feature of Congo River. Which one is it? Kanneen armaan gaditti eeraman keessaa tokko amala laga ኮንጎ ibsa. Isa kami? ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት አንዱ የኮንጎን ወንዝ ባህሪ ይገልጻል። የቱ ነው? A. Its waterfalls. B. Its length. C. Being the deepest river in the world. D. Having the most tributaries. Question number 6. The main source of Lake Victoria is መድ ለገ ቪክቶሪያ ካሚ የቪክቶሪያ ወንዝ ምንጭ የሆነው የቱ ነው? ኤ ናይል ሪቨር፣ ቢ ሬንፎል፣ ሲ ኮንጎ ሪቨር፣ ዲ አንደርግራውንድ ስፕሪንግስ። Question number 7. Which of the following river forms a Victoria Falls? ፏፏቴ ለገ ቪክቶሪያ kan uumu isa kami? A. Congo, B. Zambezi, C. Limpopo, D. Niger. Kun tamsaasa GO lesson 17 tiyubiiti. GO lesson 17 tiyubii miseensonni haaraa itti dhuftan subscribe, share, like gochuun miseensa GO lesson 17 tiyubii ta'uudhaan nu waliin akka qayyabattan gamanumaan irra deebinee isin affeerra. Good. The answer for question number 5, Congo River is the deepest river in the world. So the correct answer is C. The main source of river Victoria is rainfall. It is a rain-fed river. It shows seasonal variability. Maddi laga kana bishaan roobaa waan ta'eedhaaf waqtiin gogiinsaa yeroo itti dhufu variability yookiin immoo jijjiirama qabiyyee agarsiisa. የይዘቱ መጠን ተለዋዋጭ ነው፣ ምክንያቱም በዝናብ ላይ ተመስርቶ የሚመነጭ ስለሆነ። ዝናብ በሚኖርበት ጊዜ ከፍተኛ ሙሌት ይኖረዋል፣ ዝናብ በማይኖርበት ደግሞ ወደ መድረቅ ይሄዳል ማለት ነው። Question number 7. Zambezi River forms Victoria Falls. So the correct answer is B. Yaa'insa laga Victoria dhaaf sababa kan ta'u laga Zambeziiti. Question number 8. What is the primary purpose of the Aswan High Dam in Egypt? A. Flood control, B. Irrigation, C. Electricity production, D. All of the above. Question number 9. Which of the following soil type is known for high agricultural productivity? A. Ferrasols, B. Alluvisols, C. Sandy soils, D. Arenosols. Question number 10. Which of the following country is the leading producer of gold in Africa? A. South Africa, B. Ghana, C. Tanzania, D. Mali. The primary purpose of Aswan Dam in Egypt is for flood control, for irrigation. It is also used for electricity production. So the correct answer is D. Question number 9. Alluvial soils are a type of soil which are known for high agricultural productivity. Oomisha midhaaniif baay'ee kan oolu gosa biyyoo armaan gaditti eeraman keessaa alluvial soil yookiin biyyoo dalaliiti. So the correct answer is B. From Africa, the leading producer of gold, A. South Africa. Question number 11. Which mineral resource is abundant in Nigeria? Nigeria keessatti albuunni baay'inaan argamu kami? በናይጄሪያ በብዛት የሚገኘው ማዕድን የቱ ነው? A. Diamonds, B. Petroleum, C. Cobalt, D. Uranium. Question number 12. What is the main use of bauxite? Bauxitein ፋይዳን isaa maali? የቦክሳይት ጥቅሙ ምንድን ነው? A. Making aluminum, B. Producing steel, C. Fuel production, D. Cement manufacturing. Question number 13. Ferrasols are commonly found in which regions of Africa? Biyyoon gosa ferrasol jedhamu አፍሪካ keessa iddoo kamitti baay'inaan argama? ferrasol የሚባል የአፈር አይነት በአፍሪካ በየትኛው አካባቢ በብዛት ይገኛል? A. Arid regions, B. Tropical rainforests, C. Savannas, D. Desert regions. Question number 14. Which of the following is a characteristics of tropical rainforest vegetation? Amala biqiloota naannoo tropical rainforest kan ta'e kami? የትሮፒካል ሬንፎረስት ደን ጸባይ የሆነው የቱ ነው? A. Sparse trees and shrubs, B. Dense canopy and high biodiversities, C. Seasonal droughts, D. Dominance of thorny plants. Good. Barattoota. Albuunni naannoo Naayijeriyaatti baay'inaan argamu ፔትሮሊየሚ yookaan boba'aadha. ፔትሮሊየም ወይም የነዳጅ ክምችት በናይጄሪያ በብዛት ይገኛል። So the answer is B. Ferrosols are commonly found in tropical rainforest, a region which are known with having highest rainfall throughout the year. So this type of soil is too rich due to the dominancy of high rainfall in area. Biyyoon kun naannoo tropical rainforest jechuunis iddoowwan rooba waggaa guutuu argatanitti waan argamuudhaaf bukaa'aa ta'uudhaan beekama. So the correct answer is B. Question number 14. Dense canopy and high biodiversity is the characteristics of tropical rainforest region. I mean tropical rainforest vegetation. So the correct answer is B. Question number 15. The savanna biome is characterized by A. Dense evergreen trees. B. Grasslands with scattered trees. C. Dry sandy soils. D. Permafrost. Question number 16. The Great Rift Valley is home to which unique wildlife? Naannoon sululaa kanneen armaan gadiitti argaman keessaa bineeldota kam qabaachuudhaan beekama? ስምጥ ሸለቆ አካባቢ ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት ነፍሳት የትኛውን በመያዝ በአብዛኛው ይታወቃል? ኤ ፔንጊንስ፣ ቢ ሌማርስ፣ ሲ ፍላሚንጎስ፣ ዲ ቢዘን። Question number 17. The Sahara Desert is dominated by which vegetation type? Naannoon gammoojjii Saharaa gosa biqilootaa kam qabaachuudhaan beekama? A. Shrubs and acacia trees. B. Lush grasses. C. Dense forests. D. None. Question number 18. Which national park is famous for mountain gorillas? Paarkiiwwan armaan gaditti eeraman keessaa kamtu gorillaa gaarreenwanii qabaachuudhaan beekama? A. Serengeti National Park. B. Kruger National Park. C. Virunga National Park. D. Tsavo National Park. Okay. The answer for question number 15 is grasslands with scattered trees are the savanna biome vegetation. So the correct answer is B. Question number 16. Flamingos are the common wildlife in Rift Valley. So the answer is C. Question number 17. Shrubs and acacia trees are the Sahara Desert type of vegetation. So the correct answer is A. Question number 18. Virunga National Park is known with having a mountain gorilla. So the correct answer is again C. Question number 19. What is the key factor for sustainable resource utilization? A. Technological development. B. Proper management and conservation. C. Resource abundance. D. Industrial growth. Question number 20. Which country is the largest producer of hydropower electricity in Africa? A. South Africa. B. Ethiopia. C. Nigeria. D. Kenya. Question number 21. Which of the following role is not associated to forests in natural resource management? A. Oxygen production. B. Carbon absorption. C. Habitat provision. D. Methane emission. Question number 22. Why is water considered as a critical natural resource? A. It supports agricultural and energy production. B. It has no alternatives. C. It is abundant everywhere. D. It provides food. The answer for question number 19 is B. Proper management and conservation is the key factor for sustainable conservation. Question number 20. Ethiopia is the largest producer of hydropower electricity in Africa today. So the correct answer is B again. Methane emission is not associated to forests in national resource management. So the correct answer is D. Question number 22. The answer is A. It supports agriculture and energy production. Question number 23. Which African lake has the highest biodiversity? A. Lake Chad. B. Lake Victoria. C. Lake Tanganyika. D. Lake Malawi. Question number 24. What is the main problem facing Lake Chad? A. Overfishing. B. Pollution. C. Shrinking size due to desertification. D. Salinization. Question number 25. Which of the following is not the importance of Zambezi River to Southern Africa? A. Hydroelectric power generation. B. Agricultural irrigation. C. Wildlife conservation. D. Devastating landslides. Question number 26. Which type of soil is most vulnerable to erosion in Africa? Biyyee gosa armaan gaditti eeraman keessaa dhiqama biyyeedhaaf kan saaxilamu isa kami? A. Ferrosols. B. Arenosols. C. Leptosols. D. Vertisols. The last question, question number 27. Which African country has the largest diamond reserves? Kuufama diamandiidhaan biyya Afrikaa keessaa beekamtu kami? A. Angola. B. Botswana. C. Sierra Leone. D. Democratic Republic of Congo. Okay. Question number 23. Lake Malawi from Africa has the highest biodiversity. 24. Shrinking size due to desertification is the main problem facing Lake Chad. So the correct answer is C. Question number 25. Devastating landslide is not the importance of Zambezi River to South Africa. So the correct answer is D. Question number 26. Leptosols is vulnerable to soil erosion in Africa. Why? It is a desert soil. So the correct answer is C. Question number 27. Botswana has the largest diamond reserves in Africa. So the correct answer is B. Chaanalii keessan Geolesson 17 Tube waan daawwattaniif galatooma. Geolesson 17 Tube chaanaalachuun sila gobanyaachuu አመሰግናለሁ። Geolesson 17 Tube chaanaalii milkoomina egeree dhalootaaf dhimmu